Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have this 2014 Infiniti Q60S convertible. This is probably one of the nicest examples for sale, at least in this area. Yes, I know the plate's about to fall off, but I don't have any other screws, so that's what's gonna have to work. This one, 27,000 miles. Very, very low miles for a car of this year. Don't want to know. I don't think the sticker's in there. So, just to help with wind noise, I'm gonna I'm gonna close the roof. Get a notification saying the roof is complete. And there you go. All right. All right. Let's go for a drive. Of course, you're gonna look at this and say, that's a G37. It is. Back in either 2013 or 2014, Infiniti switched to Qs for all of their names. So this is the exact same as G37, just a different name. At 27,043 miles. This thing is mint. Drives like brand new. I'm not gonna lie, I've always had a huge soft spot for these cars. I mean, when I was 14 when this car came out. I wanted one of these as a first car. Matter of fact, I still love these things. It's a really, really fun car. Of course, based on the same platform as, I believe, the 370Z. It's about as close as you can get. I think you could get these in manual too. Never driven one of those. They're pretty hard to find. I know my uncle years ago had a manual G35. That car was phenomenal. I never got to drive it. I think I was like 10 or 11 when he sold that. definitely gets out of its own way. It does have a great sound to it. The 3.7 naturally aspirated V6, definitely one of the better sounding motors out there. I do believe it's called the VQ. Oh, look at that, Ghibli. Should get a... Now I do believe that this is a stock exhaust. There's no tune or anything on this, but you don't get pops, but you can definitely hear little, what would be burbles or pops. You hear them coming out of the back. They're definitely muffled, but you'll feel like little booms. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.